Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about Christmas. Number 1. Christmas is a festival of joy and love. Number 2. It is a famous festival of Christians. Number 3. It is celebrated on December 25th. Number 4. People decorate Christmas trees. Number 5. Santa Claus brings gifts for children. Number 6. Families exchange presents. Number 7. Homes are filled with lights and ornaments. Number 8. People sing Christmas carols. Number 9. Churches hold special prayers. Number 10. Christmas spreads happiness everywhere. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.